Students, today we are going to solve the numerical problems related to distance, displacement, speed and velocity. A person goes straight 40 meter towards east. From there he travels again 30 meters straight towards north. Total time taken by him is 20 seconds. Find out his distance, displacement, speed, velocity in this whole journey. Okay, so already you know this direction: north, south, east and west. So suppose a person starts from point A and he goes uh, first 40 meter towards east. So east is this direction, so first he goes 40 meter towards east, okay, and reaches at point B. Then again from point B he travels 30 meter straight towards north. So north is this direction, 30 meter, and suppose he reaches to point C. Now what I have understood from here, this is the starting point, A is the starting point, C is the ending point of his journey. So what is the total distance travelled by him? It is very easy. So distance is 30 plus 40 equals to 70 meter. Done. Now how to find out the displacement? Displacement is the straight line distance between initial and final position. This is the initial, this is the final position. Now do a straight line distance. Just do a straight line. And you know displacement is a vector quantity, so it has value and the direction as well. So just I am putting an arrow and showing it is the direction of the displacement from starting point to ending point. Okay, now what is the displacement? How to find out the displacement? See, now this figure has become a right angle triangle, right? This is the 90 degree and this is AC is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, AB is the base and AC is the height. So now to find out the displacement, that is AC equals to root over AB square plus BC square. What theorem I have applied? Yes, I have applied here Pythagoras theorem, right? So now AB square will be how much? 40 square plus 30 square. So it will be in meter. So it will become 1600 plus 900, right? So AC will be root under 2500 meter equals to, if I do it, it will become 100 into 25. 2500 means 100 into 25. Now if I again split it, 10 into 10 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now for these two tens, 1 10 will come, these 2 5, 1 5 will come, so 50 meter. But only 50 meter if I write, my answer will not complete because it is a vector quantity. So we can say from A to C, right? The direction will be from A to C, or we can say this direction is actually the northeast direction. This direction is actually northeast direction. So from A to C, or we can say here northeast. The direction is northeast. So displacement is 50 meter northeast or from A to C. Anything we can tell. Now we are coming to the speed, right? So what is speed? Speed is distance divided by time. So what total distance it travels? Let's check. The distance traveled by the body is 70 meter and how much time? See, 20 seconds the time is given. So 70 divided by 20 meter per second. So it is coming 7 by 2 means 3.5 meter per second. So distance is 3.5 meter per second. And now I am coming to the velocity. What is the formula of velocity? Velocity is displacement. Displacement divided by time. What is the displacement? Displacement is 50 meter. So 50 divided by 20, it is 2.5 meter per second, and velocity is a direction, has a direction, because velocity is a vector quantity. And where the direction of the velocity? Direction of the velocity is same as the displacement. That's because it is a displacement by time, so where and time has no direction. That means displacement has the direction and velocity has the same direction also. So it is 2.5 meter north east, or from A to C. From A to C.